Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, it's going to be my reaction to J-Hope's second music video, Airplane. I suck. Just putting out there, I suck. The fact that I waited to react to this video for like 5 days, I don't even know when this video came out, just that it was sometime last week. So here's the thing, I was able to react to Daydream as fast as I could, like a day after actually, in the music video release, but that was not too bad. However, Airplane though, I feel bad. Legit just bad. I feel bad. My hair isn't helping. But yes, anyways, I'm not gonna prolong this video because I've been waiting to react to this music video for so long. So let's just get to it. Alright, so first off, when the mixtape first dropped, sorry, one sec. After watching Daydream, I believe I immediately listened to the whole album. And probably Airplane is also one of my favorites because it's just, it's, you know what? I technically have no favorite in that album because the whole album is a favorite. There's no favorite one song. There's no one song favorite. It's just a whole thing favorite. So yes. Anyways, I just said I will not keep talking and prolong this, but yeah. Oh ho ho. Oh, that. He's going with that scrunchy hair, that perm hair. So here's the thing about me. I actually watched the behind the scene. So like the BTS episode thingies. Bucket Hat makes an appearance! I loved how he drove here though. Oh, I love that the thing people. Oh my god, it looks so good! I was trying to talk J-Hope rude. Or even, I mean, I was gonna ask if it's okay to drink in the airplane. I believe some airplanes offer alcoholic drinks, so. Yeah, I know, you're cute, bro. He looks good! God dang! This one, I loved how he drove here. Oh, it's the same thing for Daydream. Sorry, I'm still quite sick. It's that thing in Daydream where the hello child, you just don't drop freaking necklaces on the road, bro. Why is it that every time I try to talk, freaking J-Hope just does something rude? Like, bro, you're so loud, can you not? I don't know what I'm doing with this face. Airplane. Oh jeez, like legit every time I try to talk, freaking J-Hope just does something or whatever he does and it's so rude and my thoughts are just cut off, and then when I try to talk about it again, it's just I forget about it. First of all, I'm really upset with myself. How the hell did it take that long for me to react to this? Like, anyways, that was that, yeah, no comments. Just that J-Hope is perfectly amazing. Son, I love you. No wonder you were my first bias, but like seriously, I feel like he's attacking me everywhere just cause is it revenge for switching to Jimin as my bias? Like, bro, I know, I'm sorry. He was just too strong, but now you're doing too... His game is way too strong now. I feel like... No, there is no slipping, girl. You've already betrayed members of this group. Stop betraying more people. Like... Freaking J-Hope, I hate you, but no, I don't. I love you. Anyways, that was that for that reaction. I think I said that already. Once again, thank you guys for watching. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe to my channel for more reaction videos. And remember to keep on shining. Bye, guys!